Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Ford Bronco can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this Draw-Tite hitch installation. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We can begin by raising the hitch into position and aligning the 4 mounting locations. Place a flat washer on each bolt and pass them from the front backward, and then install the flange nut. After applying the first flange nut, keeping the hitch from falling on you, you can then move forward and place your 3 remaining bolts and flange nuts. Hold the flange nut, but spin the bolt to connect them. We are now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications, which I will link in the description below. We're going to use our torque wrench, a 3/4 inch socket, and a 3/4 inch open-ended wrench. Place the open-ended wrench on the flange nut, and then place the torque wrench and socket on the hex head bolt. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the receiver is 2.5 inches. The pinhole to the end of the spare tire is 3.5 inches. And from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 18.5 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, ski carrier, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.